Hey guys, my name is Piyush and I am from MUO Sigma classes. So in this lecture, what I'm going to do, I'm going to print from 1 to 10 numbers, okay, using Go language and also using the for loop. So firstly, I'm going to explain what is the for loop. Okay, so the for loop is used when you know in advance how many times the script should run, right? So so this is it for loop. I know you know about the for loop. For loop is very simple and okay. So let's going to simple how to print 1 to 10. So I will in the next lecture I will explain three methods, three ways to print 1 to 10 numbers, digits, right? Three types or three ways in Go language you can print 1 to 10 digits, right? So but in this lecture, just for demonstration, I'm going to explain how to print 1 to 10 digits, right? Okay, so let's say I'm using this one statement, right? This just the default code, okay? So this is the package, oh sorry, this is the package. This is I'm putting the read and write package, fmt. Okay, library. Okay, so this is the function, this is the main function actually, and in this function I'm going to do what, this is the k. I'm going to give the value is 1, like, okay, and this is the for loop, and this is the semicolon. Okay, let's put it here, right? And then k, the k value will be like less than 10, less than equal to 10, and k plus plus. Like this you can initialize your for loop in Go language. This is very simple. This is as similar as you can see, you can use in C++, and Java and all. Okay, okay, so then I want to print something. So print ln, print ln. Okay, so what I want to print k, because when the k value is 1, then 2, then 3, because the k is increasing on. Okay, but but what, let us just check. Okay, save this one, clear. Oh my god, but I'm getting error. I'm getting error, right? fmt undefined 73 73 73 73 73. Yo, okay, what is the problem? Problem is I said k is equals to 1, but it is checking if k has value 1, so it is less than 100, less than 10, sorry. So it is true, so print, like, okay. So error is you should put p like this, and the error has gone. You can see here 1 to 10 digit, you can see in this 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 10. Okay, like, okay, so I'm not satisfying with this code. I just want to print like something deep, in something unique manner. Okay, so how you can do? So I just want to, I don't want to use this code. This is a very old code. Like, okay, so k is okay. I'm satisfied with this line, and I'm not satisfied with this for loop. Okay, so I'm going to change this one. See the magic. Going to delete this one thing. Oh my god, just said the k is less than equal to 10, and your job has done. No, your job has not done. You should actually, when the k is equal to 1, then it check the condition. Okay, this k will print 1, but you should increase the value of k, so k plus plus, and your job has done. Now your job has done. Seriously, your job has done. Okay, clear, sorry, clear everything, and then print. Oh my god, you are getting 1 to 10, 1 to 10, right? Okay, but as you know me now, I really don't like this one also. So I also don't like this one, k is equal to 1, I don't like. So, and I really not like this line also. So if I'm giving the value of k is equals to 1, and then boom boom, okay, and then k plus plus, right? Sorry, k plus plus, and I just want to print the value of k, then I really hate this line. And then if I'm checking, what I'm checking, k is just equal to 10, then break, then what, break, sorry sorry, यहाँ से start करना होगा k, and then break. Simple, this is very simple. So what is the code? In the for loop I am giving the value of k equal to 1, and then increasing the status, and here I am just leaving my condition. Okay, so what is going on in the code? In this code, k first, when first k is equals to 1 first time, so it will print k is equals to 1, then here come here, and then increase the status, and then also 2, not 2, this is not a thing, because we, before increasing the k value of k, you should check the condition now. So k equal to 1, then print the k is equals to 1, then check if k is equals to 10. No, na. So not break, not execute the part of the code of if block. So increase the k equal to 1 to 2, and then 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. When this will equal to 10, okay, so this should be break now, but the value of k is print before, because when the value of k equal to 9 now, so this will true, and then this will go to k plus plus, so k value has become 10, then print, already print, then the flow of the code will reach at if block, then this will true, then this part of the code of if block will execute, and this will break the flow will break, right? So this is how you can print the 1 to 10 digit, right? I'm going to save this one, and now clear everything, and then go run. Oh my god, you can see here 1 to 10 digits, right? So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and thank you so much for giving me this huge amount of patience to me. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe my channel, because this will increase my motivation. Thank you so much guys, please do subscribe my channel, and press on the bell icon. Thank you so much guys.